Jake Gilmar.
This is the first event number 50 that started over 100 meter butterfly. Hilary Dato of Thunder Shark Swim Club. Lane 3, Ella Mercado of Manila Swim Mango Swim Team. Lane 4, Lorraine Fresas of St. Vincent High School.
Kailangan wala na sa kwadro eh. Okay, dapat kailangan namin ng chimes.
Nakalagay dito athletics, academics. Oh, di ba?
Cherry for syrup, the original multivitamin preparation with chlorella growth factor. Niacin para tangkad sagad. At dahil teenager na siya, Cherry for PGN 1022 na ang para sa kanya. Best partner with Benzene Plus C para protektado. Also available Cherry for premium for adults for focus, energy, and recovery. Add C Plus vitamin C and zinc for double immunity. Products at discounted prices are available at the Internet Cherry for booth. Is out today. Available while supplies last.